Mach auf!
What's up, guys? Recently I got some tagging grenades that are super realistic and work exactly like the real counterparts. You pull the pin, throw them, and after a short delay they explode. But throwing them is just too boring, and frankly, I'm not good at it. So why not making a booby trap out of them? To make these, you just need the grenades, some sticks and a fishing line. That's it. Simple as that. The question is if they will work. My main concern is the delay between pulling the pin and the explosion itself. It takes a few seconds, and if the enemy notices soon enough, they might take cover. Well, there is only one way to find out. Our mission is to defend the building from the attackers. A perfect opportunity to test the traps, because they have to come to us. Setting them up is easy, as long as you have some soft material to stick it into. Concrete is a bit more difficult, but it can be done with a little bit of creativity. And be careful when positioning the pin. You want it to sit on the edge, but don't do it like me. Traps and cameras are set. Now let's play and wait if we hear some explosions. Today I'm running my new contractor looking setup with the lightweight plate carrier and as a primary the new NOVRITSCH SSR90 with an insane rate of fire. I feed it with 0.32 gram BBs and of course 11.1 volt battery. We have a slight wind today, so the heavy BBs will come in handy to help with the weight. Let's go.
You can get some through this hole and this window. If you get here, there's several and another one behind that building.
They are approaching the building fast and we are having a hard time defending it. But that's good, because we are here to test the booby traps, right?
Oh, sorry! That was the trap, I think.
Alright, that worked well. In the meantime, something really weird happened to my teammate. Let's check that out.
Out! I think it's my own that down stuff.
You put it in front of the muzzle.
Man, this is...
You haven't watched the Academy, huh?
This is too short.
You see where I'm going with this? It's very easy to accidentally put your finger in front of the barrel. What happens next is, when you pull the trigger, you shoot your finger. And it hurts like hell.
It's a suicide.
Oh man, it hurts so bad.
Yeah, I said that. He did it again!
This is too long.
Man, and now I have it on the camera.
No.
He did it again. Oh.
That was a rare piece of content. You don't see suicides that often in Airsoft. The enemies took over the building and now we have to take it back. But I know that there is at least one more trap inside, which didn't go off yet. The question is if they disarmed it, or if they still haven't noticed that it's there. Damn it, it takes a while for the grenade to go off, and this guy noticed early enough.
Hey! Piste!
Now it's our chance to get hold of the building again. We got the building back, but there are still many enemies all around it. I call my teammate over the radio that the building is ours and we start clearing the surroundings. The fire rate is just ridiculous on this rifle. It's hard to miss with this amount of BBs flying forward. Another wave of enemies is coming in. We have to defend the building no matter what. Reinforcements should be here soon.
Yeah. Ja. Gillen, look at me. Aim, aim. Oh, fuck. That didn't work.
I'm really bad at throwing grenades. I should probably better stick to rifle and the traps only.
Woo! Okay, fine. There's some sort of red barricade in the back, far away.
The wind is taking the BBs to the left, but it doesn't matter, there are just too many of them flying forward. They go through the bushes easily.
Game end!
And that's it for this video. We successfully defended the position till the end. If you are interested in the gear I'm using, NOVRITSCH.com is the right place to visit. See you in the next one.